Did you know about the man behind one of the largest human rights demonstrations in the United States history? Bayard Rustin? He's a master networker.
What do you say?
Hi, I'm Desiree Jones, author of Hey Nice to Meet You, the Networking Manual, which breaks down how to network intentionally and maintain relationships. Today, we're going to break down how Bayard Rustin embraced the power of networking to lead one of the largest historical protests in U.S. history. Bayard Rustin was a key advisor to Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. and a master strategist in the civil rights movement. So when Rustin became the chief organizer of the 1963 March on Washington, where Dr. King delivered his iconic "I Have a Dream" speech, that was networking at its finest moment. Rustin's expertise in organizing was crucial. The process of putting this together, like the process of networking, took connections, steadfast commitment to the overall goal, and heavy communication and follow-ups from multiple leaders, news outlets, and organizers across the country. He brilliantly coordinated logistics from transportation to public relations, ensuring a peaceful and impactful march. It's because of networking that Bayard Rustin was a key advisor to Dr. Martin Luther King and later became the organizer of the 1963 March on Washington. Bayard Rustin's commitment to networking gave birth to the iconic speech where hundreds of thousands of people were able to witness Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. deliver his "I Have a Dream" speech. With networking, it only takes one intentional decision. One intentional phone call can change the course of your life. The decision to lead an iconic protest is what led Bayard Rustin to become a pivotal leader in civil rights history and a master networker. Hey, nice to meet you, the Networking Manual. Grab your copy so you can be just as iconic at networking like Bayard Rustin.
Y'all better know about Hampton.
I go to Hampton University. We're here at homecoming, and I'm so excited because I'm going to talk to as many people as I can, including my close friends. It's a standard.
We outside Hampton homecoming.
We're ready. We're lit. It's homecoming, so you should already be networking, right?
That is what it's about.
And look, this is the best person to teach you about networking, in case y'all didn't know.
I'm like, what are the odds I see my favorite people here?
You're a mogul, a business mogul. They better know from now. If they don't know,
Girl.
we're gonna make this on record, sir. Listen.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Skirt. No.